so glad that I got to leave work early today. It's been so long since me and my baby got some time for ourselves. I planned out a whole little road trip for us to do this weekend, starting tomorrow, to surprise them. Hope they like it. And I got them their favorite flowers, too. I feel so bad for working so much lately, and I want to show my honey bun how much I care about them.
Baby, I'm home. Babe, you here?
It doesn't look like they took their meds today. I don't hear the shower. I hope they aren't taking a nap.
Honey, you in here? There you are. You okay? Why are you in bed already? It's only 4 o'clock. Sweetheart? You sleeping?
The blankets are covering their face, and their white noise machine's going.
Babe? Whoa, what the... Hey, love. What's going on? Talk to me. Let me help you. I'm gonna move the blanket away from your face again, okay? No. Sweetheart, what's going on? You're kind of scaring me a little bit. Your breathing is really fast. You don't want me to know what? Baby, I can't understand you.
They're breathing really fast. I think I can feel them shaking too. Are they? Shit. I think I know what's going on.
Babe, can you grab my hand? Awesome. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna ask you some questions. And I want you to squeeze my hand to answer, since I can see you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed right now. Squeeze once for yes, 2 for no. Okay? Perfect. Just like that. Good job, honey. All right, first question. I think I already know what's going on, but I want to make sure. Are you having an anxiety attack right now? Okay, that's what I thought. All right, I'm gonna walk you through an exercise to help you get grounded and calm, okay? All right, it does involve some observation though, so I need you to uncover your face for me. Can you do that, please? Thank you, baby. You're already doing so great. Are you ready for the exercise? Okay. First task. Can you tell me 5 things that you can see? That's one. Great job, baby. Now I want you to take a deep breath with me after each thing. In the nose and out the mouth. Good. Good. 4 more things you can see. That's 2. Awesome job, honey. Deep breath. That's 3. Just 2 more. You're doing amazing, my love. Another deep breath. Good. Good. And that's 4. So proud of you, baby. You're doing so good. Deep breath. All right, good, good. 1 more. And that's 5. Awesome job, honey. 1 more deep breath. Awesome job. Let's do a couple more deep breaths. Good. Okay. For this next step, I want you to tell me 4 things that you can feel with your hands. And just like before, we're gonna take some deep breaths after each one. All right, go ahead when you're ready. Good. Deep breath. Awesome. 3 more things. Perfect. Yep. Deep breath. Now you're getting it. All right, 2 more things. Yes, good. Deep breath. Good. 1 more thing that you can feel. Great job, honey. Deep breath. Good. Good. You're not shaking so much anymore, and your breathing is slowing down a lot. It's not quite normal yet, though, so we're gonna keep going through this exercise. Next, I want you to tell me 3 things that you can hear, okay? Go ahead whenever you're ready. Yes, awesome job. Deep breath. Two more. Good. Deep breath. All right, one more. Just one more. Good. All right, deep breath. Great job, baby. I'm so proud of you. All right, next I want you to tell me 2 things that you can smell. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. Beautiful. Deep breath. Good. One more. Good. Good. Awesome job, sweetie. All right, deep breath. Awesome job. Now, the last thing I want you to do is tell me 1 thing that you can taste. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that you can taste right now in this moment. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. It can be 1 thing that you could taste if you had it. Good. One more deep breath. Good. Very good. I'm so proud of you. How are you feeling now? Calmer? Glad to hear that, sweetheart. You're feeling sleepy. Yeah, I bet you are. I'm sleepy after an anxiety attack, too. That was a pretty bad one. Do you want some cuddles? Yeah? Okay, baby. Come here. You want me to scratch your back? All right, you got it. have a surprise for you. But I'm not gonna tell you right now. I don't want you to get excited again. Right now, all I want you to do is just relax, okay? If you feel yourself falling asleep, that's perfectly okay. You're allowed to take a little nap, okay? Just focus on your breathing. Long, deep, steady breaths. Good, good. You're safe here. You're okay. I've got you. I won't let anything hurt you. I promise. I'll always be here to protect you. Always. You're okay. You're safe. Nothing can happen to you here. This is your safe space. And it always will be.